Hey guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Notion AI in order to either brainstorm some new product ideas, build on your current product ideas, generate new ideas or feature ideas using as a founder or a product manager. So let's get started. I'm going to name this doc SaaS product ideas, and the minute you put the heading here, you can see that there is a option to generate a few SaaS product ideas already, but I'm going to start with empty page. In order to prompt the Notion AI, all you have to do is press space and then you say, so I'm going to say 10 novel SaaS product ideas. You click enter. Okay, so these 10 ideas were generated in a couple of seconds. You have virtual meeting assistant, customer feedback tool, online learning platform, sales funnel optimizer, social media management, etc. So you have a bunch of ideas. What I am going to be doing is pick any of these ideas and create a complete documentation for that idea in order to at least get started with including the to-do list over the next month, the next quarter, or over the year. So let's say we want to build an HR management. Now what we'll tell AI is, so I'm going to say elaborate on HR management tool. So it went ahead and gave me a quick description of what this tool does, right? So it includes features like recruiting management, onboarding, performance, and employee management. Simplify streamlining of hiring for HR managers, platform for managers to set goals, performance reviews, etc. So as an ideal next step, what I now want to know is what kind of players are already there in the market. So I'm going to say what kind of competitors exist. So it went ahead and gave me the name of 5 competitors that currently do this. Now obviously some of these are big names, right? For example, Zoho, Workday, these are all big names, and as a small founder, you can't really compete with these guys. I'm going to say build an HR management tool that is better and different from the competitors mentioned above. Highlight the differentiators clearly. So AI says our HR management tool stands out from the competition with its emphasis on employee well-being and engagement. Our tool, in addition to user-friendly interface, etc., overall. So what it's doing now is it's kind of looking through what it's heard about these competitors from the internet, and then went ahead and suggested some differentiators that we can have in the product in order to build a better product that stands out. Okay, now I have a broader idea on what I need to build. So the next ideal step is to kind of understand the goal of the product, then understand the users and their pain points. So let's ask AI to kind of understand the goal of our HR management tool. Why should we build this? Summarized our goal as follows, right? To provide businesses with comprehensive and customizable solution for managing their HR needs. Happy and engaged workforce is a key to success for any business, etc. You can obviously kind of highlight this again and tell AI to regenerate it, but I think I'm okay with it, and I'm gonna kind of move to the users part of things. So I'll ask Notion AI about the users of this tool. Can you list down who the users of these tools are? See, what we did in this case is we kind of we did not specify which tool we are talking about. So you need to be specific here. So now we changed it to the HR management tool. It says that we have 4 user groups: HR managers and professionals, recruiters and hiring managers, managers and supervisors, employees who want to access HR related information. So I am okay with this. Next, what we want to do is understand a bit more about the pain points of each of these user groups, right? So can you elaborate on the pain points for each of these user groups, specifically HR management tool? So it's went ahead and kind of listed these rounds. So they're responsible for managing wide recruiting performance. One of the biggest pain point is managing all of these tasks effectively. So similarly for this, responsible for this, one of the biggest pain point managing recruitment process from start to finish. Then you look at this, one of the biggest pain point is this process is fairly and consistently, also providing constructive feedback, and employees who want to access HR related information, they struggle to find information resources when they need. So these are the pain points that the Notion AI has listed down. Now ask it to rank these pain points from most important to solve to least. Listed down the pain points as follows. I'm going to look at it from the more solution-based standpoint. So I'm going to say, can you suggest some features we can build in our HR management tool to solve for these pain points? I've recommended around 7 features. One is the service portal, management tools, recruitment management tool, HR analytics and reporting, employer satisfaction service, mental health resources, team building activities. So these are the tools or features that we can build in order to kind of improve the whole HR management tool experience. Now we have the solutions, we know the pain points effectively. Now what we finally want to understand is how to prioritize building these features. But before that, I want a list of feature and sub features that we should be building on the platform. So I'm saying, can you list down all the features we should build in the HR management tool, from sign up to analytics and anything else we need to build? Prioritize it on the impact effort framework. Kind of went ahead and created 4 quadrants, right? First is high impact, low effort. These are the things we should build ASAP. So these are the 4 things they've listed down. Then the next 4 things are around high impact, high effort, which are things that you should do next. Low impact, low effort, which are things that are experiments that may not work. And then low impact, high effort, which are things that you shouldn't immediately pick up. So it's kind of prioritized. Right now we know what we need to build, for whom we need to build, what are their pain points, and what features we need. So I'm going to tell Notion AI to summarize all of this and create like a BRD for me that I can show to the business team. I'm going to say, can you summarize what we've discussed and create a business requirement document for CXOs of the company? Remember, the goal is to see impact in numbers and how we'll transform the industry. Specify the team size we'll need and the budget required. I'm going to make it more clear by saying HR management to industry. Right? This is what I'm finally asking to Notion AI. Let's see what kind of output we get. This is the kind of output Notion AI has generated. So first, it's listed down the goal. Then it's focused on the impact. Then the transformation will bring to the HR industry, team size will need to develop the project, the budget that will need to develop and launch the project, and the features that we need. So obviously it's not perfect, but it can help you document things faster and better as a product manager or a founder or someone who's just using Notion for their day-to-day documentation. And this is what I kind of wanted to discuss with the video itself. If you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel, drop a like on this video, share this across with a friend, and I'll see you guys in the next one.